Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the car wash mode in your Tesla. So go down to the control options, tap that, scroll on down to safety so we can see safety here. Actually we want to go down to service. Now you want to go down to the car wash mode. So I have to close my door real quick here, and I think it won't activate because I have my charger in. But just go ahead and just tap that right there. And then you should be able to get car wash mode on, and this will lock all your windows, the charging port right here, so I can just take this out. And then I should be able to turn it on. So this will also put it in like neutral, so your car can roll forward on a conveyor belt. So everything's got to be locked, otherwise it won't engage here. So let's go back to it. Now I can see car wash mode can be enabled now. So let's go to car wash mode right here. Car wash mode closes all windows, locks the charge port, disables windshield wipers, entry mode, walkway door locks, parking sensors. For automatic car washes with conveyor belts, the free roll option shifts to neutral and prevents the parking brake from automatically applying. So we can just enable this right now, and this will automatically turn off when we pull forward and go faster than 10 miles per hour. So you can see everything it does. You can open your the trunk there. You can clean the screen right here, etc. And then we can go to exit car wash mode as well. So just put that on. Otherwise, you can shift your car to neutral with this right here, I believe. And that will allow it to roll forward too. And I think there's an option for neutral somewhere in the menus here too. Here's neutral. You can just hold to engage neutral too. So if you need to roll forward, you can go ahead and do that right there.